Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be doing a video about AMC Entertainment. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. So today we're going to be doing a video about AMC Entertainment and really what's been going on with this stock in itself and basically the overall short squeeze market in itself. All the stocks that people were basically had a large amount of short float. A lot of people forced them to do a massive short squeeze, but over the past week, the stocks have not been doing well at all. So let's take a look at the chart together. So if we take a look at the chart, you guys can see here that this thing was trading around $2 a share, had this massive spike up to almost $20 a share, and now it's currently sitting at $6.99. And a lot of people are wondering, is it going to go back up to $20? Is this stock still basically viable? So we have to understand where this all started from. So basically, a lot of Reddit users were basically their main goal was to make sure to basically push out the short squeezes in all these stocks that had a lot of short flow percentages. AMC, Nokia, GameStop, and all these other stocks. This stock included and a bunch of other ones basically had a massive rally. But this whole week, those stocks have actually been sinking and have not been doing well at all. And a lot of people are holding super high averages. They're wondering on what to do. Now, obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, and everything I say in my videos is not financial advice, so I cannot tell you guys what to do. But a lot of people are wondering, is this the potential end of AMC Entertainment? Is this the potential end for the overall short squeeze that's been going on for the last couple of weeks? Now, we have to dive in a little bit deeper. What actually caused AMC's Entertainment's actually massive squeeze up? Well, the big piece of news was actually AMC Entertainment saying basically that they rolled out bankruptcy, which did cause the stock to basically rally a lot. Do I think AMC Entertainment is ever going to go anywhere? No, I don't. I do think the classical movie theater is a very good experience. I think it's a very good idea, and I don't think it's one that'll actually go away. Going to the movie theater to watch a movie with your friends or family or significant other has always been very popular, and I don't actually see that dying down. But AMC Entertainment, ever since basically the pandemic hit, has not been doing well at all. So AMC Entertainment basically rolled out bankruptcy, which did cause the stock to have a massive rally altogether. Now, going forward, where's AMC Entertainment going from here? Is AMC Entertainment a buy at $6.99? Well, taking a look at it from a bigger perspective, it's not an overall bad investment. Like I said, they did roll out bankruptcy for now, which is a very good sign. I would probably pick up a few shares at $6.99. I think it's a very good price. Do I think AMC Entertainment can actually see $20 again? Well, that's really impossible to answer because you never know when all these fueled stocks can actually start to rally again. Now, we have to understand that these stocks still hold a decent amount of short float, and really what caused the decline of these stocks altogether was a lot of brokerages actually limiting a lot of the buying power and basically not allowing people to actually buy as much shares as they want. You could buy a limited amount. Some of them you couldn't buy any at all, and others you could just sell. So naturally speaking, the stocks are going to fall. That's the same thing that happened to AMC Entertainment and GameStop as well. Like I said, you could not buy any of the stocks. If you could, it was a limited amount of shares, and people started to panic, which did cause the massive decline of these stocks altogether. As time went on, Robinhood and all these other brokerages basically did not unlimited, but they basically raised the restrictions a little bit on these stocks altogether. But it was such a massive thing where basically a lot of the volume basically left these stocks altogether. And, there's a lot of people out there who did lose a lot of money, especially a lot of new time investors who did end up FOMOing into these stocks without really knowing what they were actually investing into and without really understanding why these stocks were going up so much. So, let this be a lesson. Of course, you always have to take every trade with a lesson altogether. For all the new investors out there, I just want you guys to know that these losses, they happen to everybody. It's a very good learning experience to know, what the whole point of what was actually going on. But if we go about it all together, then let's talk about AMC Entertainment. So does this have a potential chance of reaching $20? Yes, it actually does. It does have another chance of rallying back up. So why do I say that? It's because, like I said, these stocks, they still hold a large amount of short flow. It's not like the shorts ever disappeared. Some shorts didn't even cover their positions. So there still is a potential chance for these stocks to actually have another massive rally. When that will happen, nobody really knows. But people have to understand that, these stocks in themselves are always going to have the potential chance of running up. GameStop was in talks of its massive short squeeze for years. A lot of people talked about how much short float percentage in general. But if we take a look at GameStop, their short float percentage was very high compared to a lot of these other stocks, versus AMC did have a decent amount, but not as much as GameStop, which a lot of people thought AMC could potentially hit the $400 or $500 range. Now, I did think AMC could actually hit $50 to $100. That was a more reasonable price target for AMC. But for this week alone, like I said, the stock has not been doing very well. Today it's down 20%, and I do expect another decline tomorrow. But next week is a new trading week. We can always see what's going to happen. So for all you guys out there who are holding the stock, my best advice to you, if you truly believe in AMC Entertainment, you truly believe that the stock is going to go up, now is a very good time to start averaging down your average cost if you have the money to afford it, just due to the simple fact that right now it's a very cheap price. A lot of these stocks did not really do well this week at all, so it's not just AMC Entertainment in itself, but if you're overall bullish on the business idea and you truly believe in the stock in itself and you truly believe that the stock can have a massive rally, then I would say go ahead and invest in it. If you guys truly believe that this is the stock that you think is going to change your life, I mean, go for it. There's a lot of people who made a lot of money on AMC, GameStop, stuff like that. But there still is always a potential chance for a short squeeze. So I don't think AMC Entertainment is done just yet. I actually don't think we've actually seen the last of this short squeeze that's going to happen. Like I said, this week in general, with all the restrictions, did cause a lot of panic in general. But I've seen this time and time again. I've been in the trading world for a long time now, and I know that, when it comes to all of these stocks altogether, when people think it's over, it's usually not over just yet. I do think that a lot of AMC Entertainment, GameStop, and all these other stocks may potentially see one massive run. Now, I say potentially, so this is all opinionated. It's a chance that these stocks could just keep crashing. Nobody really knows, but at some point, these stocks do have to consolidate. They're not going to keep crashing forever, and they will find a stabilized point. So don't think that these stocks are just going to head all the way down to zero. This is usually what happens during a massive short squeeze. Usually the stock will run all the way up and then it will crash, and then the stock will then go back up a little bit and then it will stabilize. This is the common reoccurring theme, especially when it comes to a lot of stocks that have a lot of short flow percentages. So I don't think that AMC Entertainment is done just yet. I do think we could potentially see another squeeze from AMC Entertainment. And I do think that a lot of people do have the potential chance to actually still make some money on AMC Entertainment. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of AMC Entertainment stock. Do you guys think AMC Entertainment stock is going to have another massive rally?